Ever pondered over the question, what is data science and why is it important? Well, fasten your seatbelts as we delve into this intriguing world, where statistics, computer science, and mathematics intertwine to create a field that is revolutionizing industries across the globe. Data science, a term that may sound complex at first, but when broken down, it's quite simple. It's a multidisciplinary field that combines statistics, computer science, and mathematics to extract meaningful insights from data. But it's not just about number crunching. It's about asking the right questions, transforming raw data, and applying techniques like data visualization and machine learning. In essence, it's a process of making data useful to us. So why is this field so important, you may wonder? In our data-driven world, we generate vast amounts of information every second. This data is a goldmine of potential insights. Data science helps us extract these insights, enabling businesses to make informed decisions, predict trends, and improve processes. It's the backbone of artificial intelligence and machine learning, fields that are shaping our future. Therefore, the importance of data science is undeniable and pervasive. To understand the workings of data science, it's crucial to grasp its life cycle. It begins with data ingestion, where data is collected from various sources. The next stage is data storage, where the data is organized and stored for further processing. The third stage, data analysis, is where the magic happens. Here, data scientists use statistical methods and algorithms to discover patterns and insights. The final stage is communication, where these insights are shared with stakeholders to drive decision-making. A data scientist needs a toolbox, and in this case, it's filled with programming languages, data management and visualization tools, machine learning technologies, and communication tools. Programming languages like Python and R are popular choices for data manipulation and analysis. Visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI help in representing data in an easily digestible format. Machine learning platforms enable the creation of predictive models. And finally, communication tools are essential to present the findings in a comprehensible manner. In conclusion, data science is more than just a buzzword. It's a field that is shaping our world, influencing every industry, and creating countless job opportunities. It requires a blend of hard and soft skills, from programming to critical thinking, and curiosity to business acumen. So, next time you hear the term data science, remember it's not just about data, but about the science of extracting wisdom from it. It's the future, and the future is here.